This is the CMC Markets Connect Volatility Report. Shares in Facebook owner Meta saw an active start to the week, threatening to break above the $300 mark for the first time in 18 months before retreating. There's a lot of positive news circulating around its new Threads micro-blogging service, but again, this is a stock with a massive market cap, seeing significantly elevated levels of price action. One-day vol stood at 62.77% against 50.53% for the month. Palladium was also something of a standout in terms of commodities. Underlying prices briefly dipped below the $1,200 mark on Monday before recovering, but the metal remains under pressure. It's a key component in catalytic converters for traditional cars, but the rising popularity of electric vehicles is seen as having the potential to sideline demand. One-day vol stood at 52.83% against 44.21% for the month. Chinese tech stocks found support yesterday as traders looked beyond the clampdown seen in recent years. There's a belief that calmer waters lie ahead, and that was sufficient to bolster CMC's proprietary basket of 10 Chinese companies involved in sectors including e-commerce and financial services. One-day vol on the basket advanced to 41.01% against 37.28% for the month. And in fiat currencies, activity was relatively subdued, with Euro Swiss being the only cross to show elevated levels of price action on the day. A lack of risk appetite appears to be moderately favouring the Swiss franc, but the erratic nature of gains here is elevating vol levels, which stood at 5.91% on the day versus 5.27% on the month.